Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at Tune a Day Original Series. That's the one with the orange cover. And this is lesson 6. We're going to be looking at a note which we call D5. It's found on the 4th line of the treble clef music. To play the note, put all 6 down in your little finger with the thumb on the back. Now lift up your little finger and lift up your first finger. That's the finger pattern for the note D. This is what it should sound like. Make sure your flute is horizontal to the floor, you don't want it slightly slanted, and you want a good seal on the lip plate. You may get a double sound to the note where you get a lower tone coming out with it. Keep rotating the mouthpiece, adjusting the lip angle to see if you can get the clear D tone. The first exercise, number 1 and number 2 on the first line of music, uses the note D as a half note or as a minim. If you're in the UK like we are here, we use the word minim. Anywhere else in the world it's a half note. I'll be using both terms as I do these videos, the UK term and the rest of the world term, so you get used to both of them. Counting 4 in, make sure you count all the time. You could tap your foot as well if you want. It's important that you learn to count and play. And when you play the D, t with the tongue, t, rest, t, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. You would repeat that as many times as necessary to get a clean tone. Once you can play the note with a clean sound, sounds something like what I did, then have a go at number 2, which is a repeated minim. And you would tongue maybe every bar or every 2 bars. So that's either every second note, breathe, or every 4th note, breathe. Tongue each note, but breathe on the 2nd or the 4th note. So like this. 2, 3, 4. I hope that helps. It uses quite a lot of breath on this exercise. So continue with that until you get a good sound. And in the next video, we'll be looking at D as a crotchet or a quarter note. If you have any problems, do give me a shout. My details are in the contact section below. And I give lessons on Skype or Zoom or whatever platform you're using. If you have any trouble, I'm sure we can sort it out. See you next time. Bye for now.